Very good. And now let's look how Marts and Dana will dance slow foxtrot silver level routine with the count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, preparation step, and feather step. We continue with open telemark, noticed lady's heel turn, ended in promenade, and we dance quick natural weave from promenade position. We continue with 3-step and hover cross, noticed lady's heel turn and step on lady's left side. And we finish with open telemark. Very good. Now let's look from opposite direction. So we start with preparation step and feather step, moving diagonally to center. Then open telemark, finishing diagonally to wall, and we dance quick natural weave, first turning to right and then to left. We finish with feather finish position, diagonally into the corner, continue with 3-step, and diagonally into corner we dance hover cross. And we finish hover cross diagonally to the center and open telemark diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.